Check out this new 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 2500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include the LTZ Preferred Equipment Group, seats, front full-feature leather-appointed bucket, GVWR, 10,000 pounds, 4536 kilograms, sunroof, power mirrors, outside heated power adjustable vertical camper, manual folding and extending, black, summit light, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, Cocoa Dune, perforated leather appointed seat trim, seats, heated and cool ED, driver and front passenger front bucket, emissions, Connecticut, Delaware, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, New Jersey, New York, Oregon, Pennsylvania, Rhode Island, Vermont and Washington state requirements. Duramex Plus package, wheels, 20 inches, 50.8 centimeters, forged polished. Aluminum, tires, LT 265/60R20 all-terrain, Blackwall and the Z71 package, off-road. Call 888-905-2211 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.